are you going to allow me to lead? Lead.
I'm very submissive.
Wait now.
Once you love someone, as long as that love is there, it covers everything.
Okay, wait.
You find yourself acting stupid, like you will be say you be rugged on a very good day. You are a gangster. I'm taking myself as an example.
I understand.
Normally I'm a gangster, but when I'm in love, I don't understand what's happening to me.
Yeah, Ugandan girl.
Yeah. So that is love. As long as he or she loves you.
Yeah.
Personally, you.
Let me give examples
yourself.
of what I mean now. What I mean is now you are allowing me to lead, right? If you are going to make any decision, like a career-wise or business, you are going to consider what I think.
What if what you think is not right?
No, I'm asking you.
Yes, okay, I'm telling you, you said considering, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
So before
that
you
is
make
when that mutual agreement comes in, yeah?
Okay. Now you are going to let me in. This is what I want to do. How are we going to do it?
Yes.
I can say, leave it because there are this kind of thing you should focus more on.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, I'm going to compliment or compensate you on that thing that I allowed you to leave or I'm telling you to leave. There are people who say, like Ada, I have to have my own job. I don't know if you understand. Now, you have to have your own job means you want to provide everything for yourself. This is, for instance, you want to provide...
No.
Listen.
I don't want to provide for myself.
For instance.
when you're in a marriage, it's different.
So, Ada, from our previous video, Ada wants to work. Now, if I said, maybe she's talking about a professional job, working for someone else. You understand? There are people that wants to work for someone else. They don't want to have their own business or allowing the husband to set you up. Now, if I'm telling you, I'm making maybe your professional decision before you go into anything, you're going to consider what I think or what I want. Is that how it's going to be?
Yes, that submission. That is that.
Wait, let me correct something.
What do you call it?
If I'm married tomorrow, I will probably want to have my own business, not work under somebody.
Yes.
But you using the statement that you have to consider my own decision. If you're making a career decision for me and I've analyzed the situation and I see that your decision is not going to help the situation, then I have to go with my own decision. So that means have to come to a compromise.
That is where this communication comes in.
There should be compromise and there should be good communication.
During the talking stage, you discuss about all these things.
No, we are married.
No. I've had a guy I'm in talking stage with. He said he wants me to do fashion. I said I don't know anything about fashion. If you know me well, I'm a very simple person. I don't even know how to mix match this clothes and stuff. I don't know. I have to learn, and it's not something I'd like to do. I feel like it's stressful because me, if I become a billionaire tomorrow, my money will not go to fashion. I know what I like. I'm a very simple person. So I in my own belief, when I see those people, those celebrities, they wear those, I say, why are you putting yourself through this trend?
Yeah, I understand you, but I want us to emphasize more on what Ada said.
Yeah. So that is where the communication comes.
It's almost like what you just said.
If you don't communicate and then you marry, and then this kind of talks starts coming up, what do you do then? Divorce?
No, I understand what Ada says, that she wants to do her own business. I think some men will understand that one also, like me.
Yes.
But now let's talk about on what extent. You understand? Now, if it happens that, which is going to happen, that I'm giving you everything you want. What business exactly do you want to be going? Is it leaving the state? I don't know if you're understanding me now. Now, if you're doing a business that you're going to be going on a business trip, when I can provide everything you want, and you still have your business you're doing, but now you're going to be going on a business trip, I think we are going to have conflict of interest.
But this is unrealistic as well, you know?
This is a bit delusional. Yes,
this comparison.
It's hypothetical.
Because, like, I've had an experience, so I'm going to speak according to my own experience. I don't know if I remember, I think I've told you a story where I left Uganda after someone offered me a car, a driver, an apartment, and then he told me to leave Nansing because apparently I was working with a VIP section. So he's like, just the same way I met you there, other men are going to see you. So he said he was starting a new car bond, something bigger. So he said, I want you to go and sit and work here, you know. Now, naturally, I could sell something to someone, yes, but my passion has never been in this. My passions have been clear from the beginning. It was skincare, it was nursing, and maybe law related. So if it is not with nursing, you know, I wouldn't fit there. My personality, like, it's not for me. So I told him properly, because naturally with submission and you know, and communication, usually we request. Yeah, you request. So you'll be like, I'm like, I'm sorry, but you see, my love, you know, unfortunately, I went to school for this. My dad spent a lot of money to take me through like the most expensive school in the country. You know, that was the most expensive nursing school at that time. So if I went to this school, my dad has hopes in me. My siblings are looking up to me. He was so happy to see me there. I feel so happy whenever I see patients happy. So if you take this away from me, then you're taking part of me, you know? So he's like, but I'm giving you everything you need. All people work for is money. I'm giving you the money. Now, I'm telling you, I was there for 3 days and I left.
No, I think this character is
this is different,
authoritarian.
you know.
Huh?
No, this
Yeah,
is what,
according to how you're talking
but
about,
this
I
is what
think
is
it's being,
expected
no, it's not the
with
same
most
thing.
people who provide everything.
No,
and do
it's
the
not. It's not the
business.
same thing.
Exactly. They will never want you to.
Yeah,
No,
most of them.
These people now you're talking about are the people who I think will hate their women.
I don't know, because I didn't see
Yeah.
this character in him. I had
Yes.
been in with him for 3
Yeah, at
years
the long
already.
run. At the
So I
long run,
don't
he
know
will.
Yes,
But
they will hit
You
their
were
women.
still in the talking stage with
Personally,
him at that time.
No,
so
no, I had seen him
No,
already
it's
for
not-
3 years,
it's not
and
that-
I was going to move in already.
if you had been with him, how many years?
For 3 years.
3 years.
So this side, this part of beating, personally, I don't think that's his
Okay,
personality.
okay, no problem.
But the issue here I saw was, this party said that if you're providing everything, and then she will still choose to go for business, you know, for business travels and all.
yeah.
No, what we are looking at here are people who, much as even what you're going to do is inside the country.
No, it's not
For
that-
them, they just
yes,
want you
yes,
to be
yeah.
at home. You know, I think this is the kind of person who wanted
Insecurity.
exactly.
This is not
I
insecurity.
will call that insecurity.
No, this is not insecurity. This is not insecurity. Yeah, you cannot take because of English word is there, use it anyhow you want.
So what is
It's
it?
not.
No.
What
It's
is
then
it?
what?
This is not insecurity.
Because what was his? What
Okay,
So
was
his,
no.
his
See,
reason
now-
was
Where I found
other
you,
men
other
will
men.
take me.
So what?
Sorry?
What?
Other men will take me.
Other men will take
The
you.
statement was,
No.
if I stay in the
That's
hospital,
insecurity.
that's insecurity.
No,
Devil's
let me-
incarnate then.
Exactly.
If it's
Doesn't
not
trust.
insecurity.
Because you're jealous.
It
You don't
is
want
devil's
others to
incarnate.
see.
It's not
Devil
about
is
you.
using
No,
you.
he's
According to
insecure
you.
as a man.
Okay.
That's what it is.
He's insecure.
No,
Because
okay.
why?
Okay, that is how you understand it. Now, let me tell you one thing now. Now, I said character amplifies a man. It does not change a man. Now, you, when somebody sees you, I reflect on you. I don't know if you understand.
As her husband or as her boyfriend.
Men, it will be all is an ego or is what they like. It makes them kind of feel like,
Like
peacocking,
fulfilled.
right? Okay, when somebody sees that person, say this is Victor's wife.
Okay.
I don't know if you
You know,
understand.
I once
I
did
see.
that.
No, I think I got you.
So no,
I have
it's not.
to.
It's not matter of what
It makes
word
their
you use.
shoulder high, like
No,
a logo.
my
Yeah.
shoulder's supposed to be high, not you.
I got you.
I don't know.
That's
I don't know if you
what I'm saying. Makes the
understand.
man's
Yeah.
shoulder
No,
like-
my shoulder's supposed to be high,
Not the
you.
wife.
So
I got
what
you.
I am supposed to do is to make sure that people recognize that you are my wife. It's
Okay.
not to belittle you. It's not to make you slave.
Yeah.
I don't know if you
I got
understand.
you.
So and there's not insecurity. What are you doing?
It's pride now. But
yeah,
the good
I am
pride.
supposed to be proud.
Pride,
No,
but not the bad one.
I'm
Good
responding
pride.
to what she said about.
No,
her
it's not
husband.
about no.
in
That is
part
not. That is
insecurity.
wrong word. It's not
No.
insecurity.
No,
I will
the
call that
statement you
insecurity.
use
Yeah.
shows he's insecure.
It's not-
But
no.
maybe what you're trying to say now, to be honest with you, the statement he used and what you're
used-
trying to align are two different things. You are trying to say you want to amplify me and maybe put me in a better position because I'm your wife, and you're in a good position.
Exactly,
A
that's
nurse in a
different.
VIP hospital where I was already is prosperous enough.
Of course.
100%, it puts you somewhere already in society. You realize that just going with me, if you went to like court, for example, you're trying to fight for child support, a child case or whatsoever. My profession just alone would
Exactly.
get you win the, to
Yeah.
win the case. What he was doing, personally, the statement he used was, other men will see you.
Okay, now
It's different.
Yes,
It
I
means you're
understand.
scared.
I understand where you're going. Now, the
It's
example
different.
That's why I
I give-
use the word.
I don't want us to drag some issues because I want every point that we are making people
To
are following
understand,
are going
yeah.
with us, right? Now, if I said you want to be a businesswoman, it's okay because I have to compromise on some extent, to some extent.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to do business, which I'm also going to support you to do, now that business is, I'm also providing what you want, okay, because you want to do business, you want to feel strong, energetic, out there as a woman. I totally understand that. But there is not going to be, I'm going business trip. You're going business trip. You are leaving the state all the time. I don't know if you understand. Now you said this is insecurity. I am trying to tell you that it is not insecurity. Now,
No.
it amplifies me.
No, Mr. Victor.
Okay,
Yes,
I think
you
I
get
get
that,
your
but
point.
anyway,
If you
yeah,
call it
that's
ego,
fine.
if
I
you call
get
it
your point.
ego,
That's not
now
getting
if you
what
call
I'm
it
saying.
ego, whatever you call it, said my shoulder is up. My shoulder is supposed to be up because I am providing. You want somebody that will provide. Now it's not that I'm making you a slave. I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah.